This is a quick video that doesn't have to do with decision making, but has to do with colors. I have a form with a back color property, and if I wanted to change the background color, I would normally just have all of these choices to choose from. However, they may not have the exact color I want, so I'm going to show you how to include any color that you can imagine. Colors have a red, green, blue value. How much red, how much green, how much blue is in them. So what you can do on Google, you can go RGB color, and it'll pull up this color selector. So here I can pick literally any color I can think of, or I can conjure up here. So let's take a nice green. Let's take a nice, like, lights, I don't know, something weird that I'm not going to find on Visual Studio. If I want to use this color in my program, all I have to do is just copy the red, green, blue values. That's how much red, how much green, how much blue is in this particular color. Then I just go to Visual Studio, and instead of selecting one of these options that they've given me, I'm going to just erase what they are giving me, and I'm going to paste in those red, green, blue values. And there you can see the color that I picked from Google shows up exactly on my form. Now that's one way to do it, but if I wanted to change this color in code, which we sometimes want to do, remember, this is the form. So anytime I want to change a form property, I use the this keyword. And which property do I want to change? Well, I want to change the back color. And if I want to not use one of the custom colors that they've given me, I'm still going to go color dot, but now I'm going to type in from RGB, from a RGB value. I need a pair of empty parentheses, and this is where I paste in the red, green, blue value. Let me just take a different color, just so I can show it a bit easier. Let's take a nice, I don't know what you'd call that, lavender. So I'm going to copy the red, green, blue, and I'm going to paste those three numbers in there, and that's how you would change the color with a red, green, blue value. So I've got my weird green color as the default, and then when I click this button, this line of code will happen. Just like that. So now you don't need to use these custom default colors that Visual Studio has given you. You can use literally any color you want.